What's up, YouTube? Today we're going to be showing you guys the truck we just picked up yesterday. It is a 1985 Toyota pickup SR5 single cab short bed. We're going to give you guys a quick walk around of the exterior, and then we're going to do the interior and then show you guys the engine bay. So to start off, this truck was originally black. The people that resold it to us resprayed it black, but they did a horrible job. Up here in the front, the bumper isn't in its best condition. It is silver, but it has rust. The end cap is also pretty bad. The hood has a couple of dings here and there. The grill, the silver on the grill is not too good, but it is complete. The whole front end is complete, all original parts as well. 14-inch wheels. These are pretty rare as well. We haven't seen many trucks with these, especially not single cabs, two-wheel drives. And it has this silver trim around the wheel. By the way, we're recording this video on the cell phone because the GoPro just gave out. So up here on the windshield, we do have the silver trim around the windshield. One piece solid window, no vented windows on this one. It also has this trim right here, but it's kind of coming apart. It is a EFI pickup. Like I said, they resprayed everything. This is the worst one. And you can see there's another one up here. The mud flap was also resprayed. The muffler tip was also resprayed. And this truck does have a couple of dents. These are the most noticeable ones. The tailgate has this right here, which we're not too worried about. This corner is a little bit dented, which we're gonna hopefully get a PDR to remove those. The tail lights are in pretty good conditions. They have the silver trim all around. The bumper was repainted all black. I don't know why. Even the handle for the tailgate was repainted black. Four-piece back window. This trim is missing. Well, it was flapping. We kind of tore it off because it was only halfway on. They also resprayed these silver ones down here. They forgot to remove the tape. See that? They try to tape it. This truck does have a power antenna. Now let's move over to the interior. We're going to start on the driver's side. Oh, actually, let me show you guys the back. Some more of this one-day paint job. So the previous owner, I guess, had this mat on here, and whoever painted the truck didn't even bother to clean the inside of the bed. They just resprayed over everything. There's some trash that even has paint on it. And we were looking at the truck after we bought it, and there's a little bit of rust right here. There's like a small rust hole here. I guess because the water would sit there, maybe, I don't know. From wherever had it before. This side is a little worse. But this is the only bad rust that we've seen so far. You can kind of see right there. You can see through. So I don't know if we're going to replace that or replace the bed. Also, this is in pretty good conditions. A lot of these trucks have this all bent, pushed in towards the cab. This one's straight. So now for the interior. This truck does have the power window option. These door cards are in really good condition. They even have that little light right there, like the 4Runners. I'll show you guys the seats. Bucket seats with the SR5 all over them. Another rare option. Well, these are more rare than the ones that came on our blue pickup truck, because those were just regular bucket seats. These have the SR5 all over them, and they're not torn. They have adjustments here. They have another adjustment on the inside. Show you guys the back. has carpet, the carpet back piece right here, and it also has these, but you can see they're pretty bad. I don't know if this is original. Maybe someone knows. It's like for a flashlight or something. I don't know if we're gonna keep it or we're gonna remove it. It has that speaker thing over there. We've only seen one of those at a junkyard. We haven't seen any more anywhere else. I don't know if that's a rare option or not. It is missing the tools, the jack and the spare tire thing, and the little tool bag. Here in the middle we have the center console. Trash. The boot is in pretty bad shape. It does have an aftermarket radio, but the good thing is that they didn't cut the bezel. Hopefully the harness plug is still in good condition. The power antenna switch. I don't know if the cigarette lighter worked. We haven't tried it. It has AC as well, but it's not working at the moment, so we'll have to get to fixing that ASAP. It has the little clock. Right here it has the cruise control. So this truck also came with cruise control, which a lot of these trucks didn't. It has the tilt steering column, SR5 cluster, the RPMs on one side and the speedometer on the other. This truck does have 287,000 miles. Our blue truck only has 180 something, so it's about 100,000 mile difference. This truck is pretty much up there, but these trucks run forever, and the condition on this truck is not as bad as we would think it would be for the amount of miles it has. This dash pad is pretty bad as well. I'm not sure if we're gonna replace it or put a dash mat on that. Nothing in the glove box or the trash. So this is another rare option. Oh well, it has the SR5 map light, and it has a sunroof. So to open it, we just have to press both of these little clips on the sides and then pull the latch up. And then it has the cover, which you're also able to remove. Pull it back. So there is some rust around the sunroof. I don't know what we're gonna do about that. We'll have to remove it and really get in here to see how bad the rust is. But these are the only spots where there's rust. The underneath of his truck we're gonna show you guys, and it's pretty clean. I don't know what's going on with this glass. It has this big stain right here, I think because of the rust. There's also another spot right there. And this cover's in good conditions as well. So I'll just put it back. Close the sunroof. This is pretty bad condition. It's all toasty. And the headliner, as you can see, has a couple of tears there and there. Also missing this. So that's pretty much it for the interior. We still got to clean it. They broke the door seal, window seal when they repainted the truck, I'm guessing. We were looking down here yesterday when we got home because we seen this red wire, and that's for the radio, for the power. So they just kind of taped it together to that wire right here, and we just moved it and it popped off. So I don't know, we haven't gotten back here yet. Oh, it also has the SR5 steering wheel, you can see. So now let's show you guys the engine bay. Alright, so for the engine bay we have the EFI 22RE. It's really dirty in here. You can see we have the cruise control stuff right there. Power steering, reservoir, pump, the AC lines. Pretty much all the options that this truck came with. We do need to degrease it, so we're going to go ahead and do that right now in a bit. But like I said, it's pretty much stock. It does need some work. All these wirings are like all over the place. I don't know what this is for. And this was just spliced for the battery terminal. This ground isn't too good. So the issue we're running into now is we're not sure if we want to keep this truck and fix all the little stuff that's going on with it, or if we want to resell it, fix it and resell it. But I think we're leaning more towards keeping it because it has rare options that we know we're not going to run across another truck like this. The people that had it, they were talking to us. They export vehicles down south out of the country, so that's where this truck was going to go, and we know that they're worth top dollar out there, so we just decided to bite the bullet and pay top dollar here. We did pay a lot for this truck, but given its conditions and the amount of miles it has, I think we're not too deep in the hole. I'll show you guys underneath the truck right now. So like I said, there's surface rust. There's nothing too bad down here. I think the catalytic converter was replaced at some point. That doesn't look original. So here's the back. Pretty straight back here. All original. This is the passenger side. Surface rust. And we can't really show you the front, but you're gonna see it's pretty much all stock. I don't think anything has been replaced. Doesn't look like it's leaking much. So if we do end up keeping this truck, we're gonna transfer everything from the blue one over to this one. We're gonna slam it, do everything we have on it on the other truck, throw the camper on here. But the main thing is the windshield. We were also looking at the windshield on this truck, and we could see that there's some rust down here. So this is the first repair we're gonna do on this truck. Remove the windshield, see how bad the damage is. If the damage on this truck is too bad, then that's where we're gonna make our decision if to keep it or not. You can see that there's rust right here. And yeah, so if we do keep it, like I said, we're gonna throw everything on here from the blue truck, the lowering kit, the camper top, the sound system. I'm not sure about the sound system. The big 4 upgrade, the battery, the alternator, everything we've done to the blue truck is gonna go over to this truck. If you guys want to see that, let us know down below. If not, we'll probably just do it and then show you guys the final product later on another video. I think for now, we're just gonna park this truck. Also, these people bought it from I think from Copart or something like that. It does hold a clean title, but the people at Copart don't give a damn about these trucks or any vehicle. They just pick them up with the forklift. So when they did that, they damaged the fuel tank. So that's gonna have to be replaced as well. I forgot to show you guys on the other side. So that's it for this video. Make sure to check us out on Instagram at Yonke_OXC Films. I'll leave that in the description down below, and we'll catch you on the next one.